So today I want to show you how to assemble this kit. It's a laundry cabinet for wash and dry. Wash and dry are not included. So it's basically a very simple kit. Just gonna have the opening doors. It's gonna have handles in the kit. I just didn't attach them here. So it's basically 4 doors and this. So it's like super simple kit. That's what you're gonna have. So this kit is actually very simple despite the number of pieces and the size. So you're gonna have the back piece, you're gonna have 4 bottom pieces, you're gonna have a set of 4 doors, you're gonna have the countertop, the shelves, side and middle pieces, top ones, a bunch of railings, and top and bottom panels. So what you can start with, again, because it's not a lot of gluing, you can attach the frames to the doors like that, just like glue them together for all the doors. You are going to take 2 of those panels and glue them together like that. And you are going to take those pieces and attach thin railings to the pieces with engraving and one thick railing over here. That's the railing, that's like that piece of wood sort of creates the railing from both sides, you know, so that, I mean, they're on the same height. And you're gonna take those small pieces and glue them inside this thing. This is the things that are gonna stop the doors from falling inside the frame. So what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna take side pieces. As you can see, the railing is not exactly in the middle of this piece. So you're gonna take it so that the railing is a bit shifted to the bottom of the piece. That's how they're gonna be. So it's gonna be like that, like that. This middle piece is also going to be like that. And with those 2 pieces, you have to decide whether you want those things that block the doors to be on the bottom or on the top. I want them to be on the top. But basically, that's how you're going to connect all that. So the tricky part is that at the end, the doors are going to have to be between the holes in those two frames. So what I would do, I would first attach the side piece, the middle piece, and connect them with the bottom piece and leave the top piece sort of unglued like that. So basically here comes the tricky part, because you're gonna have to attach this thing on top, connecting all the connecting pieces, at the same time putting all the doors like between, you know, those holes in the top and bottom frame, making sure you do not break the pins. This is again a pretty tricky thing, so you have to be very careful. And yeah, if the door falls in, it's kind of hard to pull it out because of this thing. So you have to do it very carefully, very slowly, like, you know, precision over speed. So yeah, very, very carefully. You have to connect it, making sure nothing breaks, and then glue the top panel to those panels, making sure the doors are inside. So after that, you're gonna have to attach bottom side pieces. Pay attention that there is only one way to attach them correctly. See, so make sure that you do that correctly. So you're gonna attach 2 pieces on the side and 1 piece in the middle. So after that, you can attach the shelves inside. Just sort of glue them in carefully. Promise they fit. And you're gonna have to attach the frame that covers those, you know, burnt edges, and the countertop. Whatever is easier for you to attach first, it might be the countertop, so that you can level the frame based on the countertop. But basically, those 3 pieces you need to attach: the frame, the countertop, 4 pieces actually, and 2 shelves. And basically that's it. I made this laundry cabinet to fit the dishwasher, the washer and dryer that I make. So I don't know if they're gonna fit any others. Gonna have to check the dimensions. But basically, yeah, I'm gonna include the doorknobs as well. Just didn't attach them here. So here's your laundry cabinet.